Hello everyone. Today we'll discuss exercise 6.1 question number 9. How many numbers lie between squares of the following numbers? That is 12 and 13, 25 and 26, 19, 9 and 100. Let us find. We know that we know that that will be we know that we know that we know that there will be there will be we know that there will be two n numbers. There will be two n numbers in between in between in between the squares in between the squares between the squares in between the squares of in between the squares of the numbers squares of the numbers squares of the numbers n and n plus 1 n and n plus 1 and n plus 1 and n and n plus 1, right? We know this one. We know that there will be two n numbers in between the squares of the numbers n and n plus 1, right? Therefore we can say number 1 between 12 square between 12 square between 12 square and 13 square and 13 square there will be there will be there will be 12 2 into 12 2 into 12, that will be 24 numbers 24 numbers. Number 2 between 25 and 26, between 25 square and 26 square there will be 2 into 25, that is equal to 50 numbers 50 numbers. Question number 3 between 99 square and between 99 square and 100 square there will be 2 into 99, that is equal to 198 numbers, right? Once again repeating, we know that there will be two n numbers in between the squares of the numbers n and n plus 1. Between 12 square and 13 square there will be 2 into 12, that is 24 numbers, and between 25 square and 26 square there will be 2 into 25, that is 50 square 50 numbers, and between 99 square and 100 square there will be 2 into 99, that is 198 numbers, right? Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.